Hello, I deliberately removed the sound from the flood video because it is viewer discretion. The way some persons scream, cry for help, it dey somehow. But anyway, make una watch am after my voice notes. Hello my beautiful people, I welcome una to this channel today. No be news say flood don take almost everywhere. In one place or the other, we don hear am say flood dey around. I just want take time to tell my viewers, say abeg, make una check on the loved one today. Dat person una never see for a long time. Dat person una think say e dey stay close to where flood fit affect, even those wey flood no go affect. I want make una take just 2 minutes of your time to take call them and to say, how are you? How una dey? I hope the flood no affect you. It doesn't take anything away from us. It is just a way of spreading love. It is just a way of reaching out to those who need us. I beg, my subscribers, thank you for keeping us, for your massive support. I say thank you. In case na the first time you dey come across this channel, take this time as well. Reach out to a loved one today. Ask them how they dey. Ask them how they dey do. Ask them say, I hope the flood no reach where una dey. With wetin the flood dey do, man, I pity so many persons. I pity so many people because they are helpless. But I wan let una know say hope dey. Hope dey as far there is life. There is always a better tomorrow. There is always a better day ahead. No be the end of the world. But abeg, those of una when this message go reach, make una take 2 minutes of una time. Reach out to someone today. Help a flood victim today. Help the needy. Help the poor. I beg, make una reach out. E no easy. So everybody dey go out to go hustle every day. We no even get time for ourselves. We no even get time for our family. But then, reach out to our loved one. And God will bless you. Make una watch this video. Abeg, na viewer discretion. Some of the image dey heartbreaking and heart-touching. So abeg, make una reach out to a loved one today. I go see una again for our next aproko video. Bye.